This temporary stitch is your secret weapon for flawless sewing. It holds fabric in place before permanent stitching and creates perfect gathers with ease. Long and evenly spaced, the basting stitch is a breeze to remove, leaving your project untouched. Step 1. Start by threading your needle with a suitable thread, and remember to knot the end. The type of thread you use will depend on the project you're working on. For example, if you're basting delicate fabric, you'll want to use a fine thread. If you're basting a heavier fabric, you'll want to use a thicker thread. Step 2. Prepare your fabric for sewing. You can use sewing pins to temporarily keep two pieces of fabric together while stitching them. You can also mark your fabric with a pencil or tailor's sewing chalk, or draw a guideline with them for sewing the thread. Step 3. Bring the needle up through the fabric where you want to start your basting stitch. Make sure to leave a long tail of thread at the end of the needle so that you can remove the basting stitches later. Step 4. Take a long stitch along the fabric, leaving loose thread tails at the beginning. The stitch length will depend on the project you're working on. For example, if you're basting two pieces of fabric together, you'll want to use longer stitches. If you're basting fabric to gather it, you can use shorter stitches. Step 5. Bring the needle back up through the fabric, a short distance away from the first stitch. Make sure to keep your stitches evenly spaced for a neat and tidy finish. Step 6. Repeat the process, taking long and evenly spaced stitches along the fabric. Step 7. Continue basting, making sure the stitches are loose and temporary, without pulling the fabric too tightly. Use the basting stitch to hold fabric layers together, align pattern pieces, or gather fabric for adjustments. To remove the basting stitch, gently pull on the loose thread tails, unraveling the temporary stitches. Be careful not to pull the fabric too tightly, as this could distort the fabric. Practice the basting stitch on different fabrics and experiment with different thread thicknesses to achieve the desired hold and ease of removal. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to support this channel.